join Deve airdrop. Today I will share with you. Deve already listed a lot of like maybe somewhere on any exchanger or decentralized exchange. Anyways, how do you join? How do you get this thing, this valuable thing? Every token has Rothwhale. You can exchange that in USDT, BTC, any like Rothwhale token with. So anyways, how do you join? I will show with you. So how do you come into this offer link? You need to therefore going into comment box and click on that link and come into Telegram. Here you will see this post and you need to copy this thing and go paste into your browser. So copy that and paste it into your any browser, and after that you will get this thing. And here this Galaxy has existed. So what you will do after that, click login. So when you click on login, that is loading. Sorry for that. Refresh this browser again. That was somewhat in offline, therefore maybe he's doing some issue. So anyways, maybe I'm hoping your browser would be so fast than me, because I'm using mobile internet. I haven't any Wi-Fi yet, so anyways, they will automatically need from you permission, and after that provide your information that you put into browser. So anyways, I already done my first task. Click on there and go your Twitter and down that. Number 2, like this all about such social task that everyone can do that. Even your 90 years grandfather can do that. So go your browser and like there, that Twitter you connected with your Galaxy website. Exactly that Twitter you will use to uh, follow them, and you will accomplish any all sort of task by your that Twitter. So I already like that, as well as I will do to repost if they want. So click on this circle button where you will see your work is done. So anyways, retweet the tweet. Maybe I have done that tweet. If it is not, okay, done, maybe done. Join their Telegram. Galaxy will need your Telegram. You will connect that. Maybe you will can do that, because it's easy to do and everything here is easy. If you feel any uncomfortable with any tools, you can feel free to ask me through Telegram. So anyways, I connect this Twitter and it will loading. Wait, I'm helping. Okay, come on, click on join chat, and after that it will take some time, because it is part of the it's part of the other Telegram version. It is not a real Telegram. So anyways, it is done to join. Click on this circle to confirm your request, and yeah, I'm hoping it will be done very soon. So yeah, done. Token Telegram, every social task, I'm hoping you will do that so easily. There is no complicated thing to do here, any bridging, any swapping, nothing. Open, click on there, follow them, and sorry, you are a member of too many group. Okay, I need to delete some group here. I'm delete some group, leave group. I'm living in any other spam group that is not need for me. Click on there if that is no, because I haven't joined yet. Galaxy is so accurate to doing twist. You need to do step by step work there. Neither your no task will be complete. Anyways, tap on there right now, follow done, and come back here. That has been okay. I'm going to put a tweet there. That has been countdown for doing a lot of attempt. So anyways, go to doing other task on Twitter. So here is what they want. Let me see. First thing first, what they want, just click on there. Oh, correct it, post that thing what they want, everything you do, because they provide you money, you know. Click on, bam, click on there, that is done. Visit their CoinGecko, and after that you need to go outside of Galaxy website, CoinGecko website, where maybe you need to follow them on CoinGecko. Anyways, continue to access, because Galaxy is so secure, because they don't wanna fall into their audience into other apps to being scammed. So here we go. Deve price right now $98. Oh my gosh, how it's possible. So click on Dave. Anyways, okay, come back there, because you already land their platform. So after that, come back that exactly that website. And anyways, it will take some time, because of, you know, I'm using right now SIM card, therefore it occur. Anyways, anyway it will be done. I will suggest you, however thing happened, do that over and over again. What the fuck happened with you, you know? Done, all thing is completed. Climb your 100 points here. Keep in mind, climb your 100 points here. Time 100 points. Click on there. Time your 100 points. Bam. Bam. Done. You have successfully entered the raffle. After the campaign is ended, you will notify you want to raffle results by email. Please pay attention. Okay? When you will create Galaxy, they will need a lot of information, included email, Twitter, you know, Telegram. So they will notify you if you are winner. So here is climbed, done, climbed. Anyways, joined this way, you will get something from there, from this offer. Keep in mind.